Hey, today I will tell you about the best service in the category Top Freelancer Sites. Having studied a huge number of services, I chose the most reliable one for myself. This freelance exchange gives you the opportunity to remotely earn on your unique abilities and skills. I want to tell you about 3 useful features that few people know about, but which really make this service the best in the top freelancer sites category. Take a good look at the screen so you don't miss the most important thing.
CrowdSpring is a simple, high-quality and reliable logo design service. This is where you can find your dream logo while avoiding a lot of associated complications. Great briefs, great rates, and a community of experienced and skilled designers are what makes this platform unrivaled. Don't expect too much sophistication or aesthetics. However, the prices and quality of designs are quite consistent with each other. From a financial point of view, this service is more profitable than many other similar platforms, so we warmly advise you to evaluate it yourself. CrowdSpring briefs could be more detailed. This is especially true in those minutes when you want to provide everyone who responds to your project with as much data as possible. But there is one very convenient option here. You can choose which files you want to receive in the final archive. Searching the freelance database is carried out using filters. The designers of this service have no ratings, but they have a portfolio. You can get acquainted with their work and invite them to join your project. However, this is far from the only feature of the service. There are also presentation pages for art directors and project managers, as well as focus groups with the help of which you can find out your colleagues' opinion on the proposed logos. The CrowdSpring website is quite simple and user-friendly. It makes an absolutely professional impression. Not all logo contests are visible to unregistered website visitors, which can be annoying. However, look at it the other way. Do you really want everyone and everything, including your competitors, to know about your new logo? The interface for creating contests makes quite a pleasant impression. All the improvements and add-ons available to you are indicated there in the form of a list in the order form where in fact your brief will be. You can check the order before confirming it and proceeding to payment, after which the competition will begin. When you evaluate and comment on all the options offered to you and choose a winner, you and the designer will have 30 days to finish the order. CrowdSpring support is just space. You can connect with her in any way imaginable, even via Facebook and Twitter. Yes, these social networks also serve as platforms for CrowdSpring to communicate with customers. The frequently asked questions section is very large. There is a live chat next to the order form. The site even lists the hours of the service team and the phone number by which you can contact them. And don't be surprised if your call is answered on Saturday morning. Yes, CrowdSpring works so well. Understanding the cost of CrowdSpring services is not easy. This is partly due to the difference between the types of projects. This increases the number of project management options and pricing available to you, and also affects the number of applications and designers that can respond to your project. With all this in mind, we believe that CrowdSpring's Silver plan is a very good deal. It will give you access to a fairly large number of designers and favorable rates.